Hi, my name's Felicia and I'm a horsepower junkie. I've always loved Mustangs. I drove a little manual 5.0 a few years ago in Dallas, and I learned that it had launch control. I thought to myself, like, this would be a perfect daily. I'm super happy with the way that it is now that we've put stainless works on it. It sounds amazing. I mean, it's not quiet by any means. The sound itself and the tone just sounds better. It sounds like you want a V8 to sound. I'm going to try to keep it a daily. It's a fun car the way that it is now, and I know that it's really easy to make power with them, so I'm trying not to slip down that slope. If we did anything to it, you know what? I'm not even gonna say that we're gonna put a blower on it because one will show up, so we're just leaving it the way that it is. That's what I'm gonna say. That's the final answer. So it's a 2019 Mustang GT PP1. It is an MT82 car, so it's a little manual car. Save the manuals, hashtag. So sound is everything for cars for me. I fell in love with the Cadillac years ago when I walked out and I heard it was cammed and it was chopping. I also love the way that the Mustang sounds now and how deep that it is. Obviously, it is my daily driver, so I didn't want to drone. I didn't want it to be so loud that I couldn't have a conversation in it, and I think that this exhaust system made it the best of both worlds. So I drive pretty far to work every day, 45 minutes or so, and just driving a normal vehicle is quiet and you're sleepy and it's another day going to work. The Mustang is not that way. It has rev match. It's almost like a little bit of joy getting to go to work and back every day because you get to go drive the car. I have been drag racing Rocket 2009 Cadillac CTS-V. Even though the Rocket makes so much horsepower, it still drives like a Cadillac. It's very calm, the steering is like you're on a couch. Most of the time, nobody says anything. It's a four-door Cadillac, unless they hear it running or they see the chute. I drive this down the street and everybody gawks and everybody wants to talk to me about it. And it just blows my mind because the car is so, the Cadillac's so built and it makes all this power and it's so much fun, but the looks of the Mustang just grab your attention so fast. Grab mine, I bought it. We absolutely love the shop. We have a lift, which is crazy. We have a heater. So we worked through the winter in here last year, which was insane. We have pulled an engine while it was snowing before. We have been through some stuff. It almost feels unreal to be here and to have a climate controlled shop and a lift, and we're gonna put a drive on lift in and we can pull a transmission in like 20 minutes. It's wild. I think that if we can do it, anybody can do it. You can get there. It took time, man. It took time and it took some late nights, but we're here.